Hey guys, today I'm going to make some chicken Alfredo. So let's get toasting. I'm going to use my 10-inch cast iron skillet for this. It's lightly oiled, and I'm going to add 1/2 cup of macaroni, small elbow macaroni, and then 1 cup of water. And I had a leftover chicken, whole chicken in the fridge, so I'm using pre-cooked chicken for this that I tore up. That's probably, I'd say maybe about 1.5 cups of chicken. And I'll kind of mix this all up here. Kind of keep the macaroni down at the bottom so it'll soak up the water. And that looks pretty good. And then I'm going to use pre-made Alfredo sauce. So this is a 15-ounce jar. So I'm just going to pour the sauce right on the top. Alright, kind of spread that out a little bit. It should spread out as it cooks. I did this the other night and it worked out pretty good. Then I'm just going to season this with a little bit of kosher salt and a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, that says sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic and onion in it. Now I'm going to get that into my toaster oven. I'm setting my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll just keep an eye on that until the macaroni looks cooked. It's been about 28 minutes, so let's see how this looks. I think that looks pretty good. I don't want my noodles to get all mushy. That looks good like that, but I have some shredded cheddar jack cheese here, so I'm going to sprinkle a little of that on top and let that melt. Alright, let's see how this turned out. Had a little pre-made garlic bread, so I'll have a little bit of that with it. Alright. Noodles look like they're cooked pretty good. Looks nice and creamy. Cheese melted. I'd say it looks pretty good. Let's try it by you. That turned out really good. I'm surprised the noodles turned out that well without pre-cooking them, pre-boiling them. Let's see what Annie thinks here. Want to try some, Annie? There you go. Well, looks like she likes it. That was pretty tasty. That's a good way to use leftover chicken. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.